Senior counsel Professor Tom Ojienda can now breathe a sigh of relief after his lawyers Monday morning successfully challenged the Director of Public Prosecution's bid to charge him with conspiracy to defraud the Mumias Sugar Company. High Court Judge Achamueta barring the DPP and the DCI from instituting criminal proceedings against him.
This is a bad prosecution even before it starts. And we're going to show to the court that it's dead on arrival.
The High Court also stopped any further searches in his office and barred the DPP from presenting Ojienda in any other court within the Republic. Professor Ojienda accused the DPP of abusing his powers by using the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to institute fresh proceedings on a matter already adjudicated by the court, whose ruling the DPP had challenged at the Court of Appeal.
As we close the year, Nuruddin Haji is telling the people of Kenya that he is the law unto himself.
He is not abusing his power, and he has no intention whatsoever to do so.
This court's view is that should it come to the conclusion that the DPP will be acting properly, the DPP will not have suffered any prejudice, it will be in order to bring proceedings against the petitioner. However, should it find that there is prejudice, the petitioner would have suffered his rights, which cannot be repaired.
Professor Ojienda will take plea before Chief Magistrate Martha Mutuku on the charge of fraudulently acquiring 1.8 million shillings from Mumias Sugar on 18th March next year, after his 18th February appearance before High Court Judge Achamueta. While it is a temporary reprieve for Professor Ojienda, the case raises questions on whether contractual obligations between advocates and clients and disputes, particularly on legal fees, can be subject to criminal proceedings.
Is it being suggested in law that advocates do not commit offences or cannot commit offences in the course of duty?
But it was not all rosy for Ojienda, as early morning, the DPP in a statement revealed that one of his former partners in his law firm, Court of Appeal Judge Professor Otieno Odek, had been lined up as one of the prosecution witnesses and would testify against him. Meanwhile, 15 people arrested in connection with a 64 million shilling tax fraud case were arraigned at the Magistrates Court. The 15, including Nakuru Senator Susan Kihika's husband Samuel Mboro, denied claims that they concealed import goods and were granted a cash bail of 300,000 shillings each. The case will be heard on 23rd February. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.